So now that we have added all of these functions into a new class called myPillow, we can now call any of these functions by creating an object. Let's test that on the blend to images. So here I'm going to create a new object called pillow, myPillow, and it's going to be equal to myPillow. And if you are not familiar with object-oriented programming in Python, what I did here is nothing but I have kind of created an object. This is called an object when you create an instance of that class. So all of what I have done here is that I just have created an instance of that class. Here, instance called myPillow. And of course, you can name it whatever you want. You can name it hello. Of course, it doesn't make sense, but I'm just trying to show you that you can here give the name of that object anything you want. It doesn't matter, but of course it's better to be something meaningful. So I'm going to say here myPillow, and then once you have created that object, you can call any of these functions. So here we no longer can call this blend to images because it does belong to the myPillow class, so it's inside that class. Therefore, in order to call it, we need to use the myPillow object. So here you need to say myPillow dot and then blend to images. Now if you save and run that script, it's gonna work. Let me first pass here another image that has the same size. So I'm gonna say here coconut, and then let me save and run our script. So as you can see, it worked and our code worked. And this is how you can add all of your functions inside a class. And you can now call any function you want just by using this object.